Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
The problem isn't the one which I'm fixing right now. I'm just removing the tank cover actually. But the problem lies behind that. Yep, you guessed it correct. The cone set problem of the BS6 Himalayan. A well-known problem of every Himalayan owner out there. My bike rode over like 20,000 kilometers and right now I'm getting it repaired. The mechanic totally busted out the old cone set. It was pretty improper, but still, the main motto was to get the old one out. I checked that out that this particular cone set does need, the company didn't even call it cone set. It is called as a racer set. Let me show you that. So these are the bearings I'm talking about. Royal Enfield sells them as ball bearing set inside, but these are roll-on bearings which comes under a big box named as, yeah, you guessed it correct, racer sets. So we have two ball bearings, one blue for the down, yeah, or we can say below one, and the white one which I showed you earlier was for the top section. So it comes pre-lubricated. Amidst this all chaos, I removed my fog lights. So recently I didn't make a video out of it, but due to the poor light of the halogen bulb which is in the headlight, I have to install fog lights that support my, you know, lighting conditions of the vehicle. But instead of these things, I've switched to LED bulbs. I know that's illegal, but I have to do it for better light. A lot of people said already to me and constantly saying, um, get a car or something about small uh, Alto for this price range. But really, guys, that's not what I suggest to people. People buy these expensive bikes. As far as I know, this is not a more expensive bike, but yet expensive for my feelings and emotions. But yeah, treat your bike well. That in terms doesn't solve anything physically with you. The money would be in the air as petrol and lubricants, and would be materialistic as you put your money into parts, but it will heal you emotionally. It took a lot of passion to work on your bike on your own, because this thing, the concept isn't being replaced by me, but I helped the mechanic a little, so that it makes me feel connected to the bike. So get get yourself connected with your bike a little, and just not treat it like a materialistic thing. And I'll make a video again for the headlight one later. Until then, adios.